Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the signal of the end of the cycle in the dryer MIELE. So let's start from the opening the user mode. You have to open the doors of your appliance, hold the start button and close the door. Hold the start button until you see that it's fully lights up. Now we are in the settings mode, the P01 appears, and now let's go to the P19, my bad. Then click on the start, and in the default state of your device you should see 01, that means it's a turn it on. Now the signal of the end of the cycle is turn it on. If you want to deactivate it, let's go to the 00 and click on the start. If you want to switch it on, leave it to the switch it to the 01 and leave it on this position, then click on the start. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.